Take us back to the beginning, partner Mary. What was the moment or like the situation that pushed you to start the business that you have right now, Prima?
Well, it's very unexpected how Prima started. Because I started freelancing, the main goal was just to really earn, right? So, I was just alone before. Pinaka-goal ko lang nun is magkaroon ng stable income every month. It's because matagal akong natigil sa pag-work. I'm taking care of my family. So, I started freelancing and then eventually I learned the industry. So parang before, nung time na natututunan ko pa lang siya, sobrang lawak pala nung freelancing industry. So that's when I got curious. Ano pa ba, what's out there? Kumbaga. And then the more I learn new things, the more na parang mas na-inspire din ako to do more.